Welcome to SAYAR'S SANSKAR online classroom. Today we are going to learn about our rights and duties, but in a different way. I hope you find it interesting and unique as it includes cartoonic environment. So let's begin it.
India is the largest democracy in the world. Our country has a long written constitution too. A constitution tells us about our goals, rights, and duties towards our country. Our Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. It was enforced on 26 January 1950. It lays down the framework defining fundamental principles, structure, procedures, powers, and duties of the government, and spells out the fundamental rights, directive principles, and duties of the citizens. India celebrates the adoption of the Constitution on 26 January each year as the Republic Day. Preamble. The preamble, as it is presented in the Constitution of India, reads, "We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation." Our fundamental rights. Fundamental rights mean those actions which are essential for personal welfare as well as the good of the community. Our Constitution gives us certain rights to every citizen of India. These rights are called fundamental rights. Nobody can ignore or violate these rights. The following are our fundamental rights. 1. Right to equality. 2. Right to freedom of speech. 3. Right to follow any religion. 4. Right against exploitation. 5. Cultural and educational rights. 6. Right to constitutional remedies. 7. Right to education. Our fundamental duties. Our fundamental rights have been provided at the cost of some fundamental duties. Some of our important duties as citizens of India are as follows. 1. We must follow the rules laid down by the Constitution. 2. We must pay respect to the national flag and the national anthem. 3. We must cherish and follow the noble ideas which inspired our national struggle for freedom. 4. We must protect our national property and environment. 5. We must uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. 6. We must live peacefully with the people of other religions. 7. We must value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. 8. We must honestly pay our taxes. 9. We must respect the rights of other citizens. 10. We must defend our country in times of need. In fact, rights and duties go together. While using our rights, we should keep our duties in mind. Directive principles of state policy. Indian Constitution has given some guidelines to the government. The government is supposed to follow these guidelines while making policies and laws. These guidelines or principles are called the directive principles of state policy. The Constitution provides the following directive principles. 1. The government should provide proper living conditions for all citizens. 2. The government should provide work for everyone. 3. The government should ensure that some people do not become rich by exploiting others. 4. The government should improve the conditions of weaker sections of society, such as those belonging to the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. 5. The government should provide free and compulsory education for children
That's for today. In this video lesson, we study about various topics. Some of them are democracy in India, Indian Constitution, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, and directive principles, and many more. So that's for this video session. We will next meet in some another session with some other topic. Till then, stay safe and healthy and have a happy learning.